What's happening?
No.
Fire it up. Fire it up!
Fire it up.
Fire it up. Of opportunity, a window into the future, to be free.
To be
free.
Free.
A window opening up, a window that will one day close. Shut. A window.
This era we're in,
maybe a window that we should seize, a window
of opportunity
to choose to fly free.
Now is the time.
Now
is the time
to choose freedom.
Now in this matrix time,
maybe the window opening up that we need.
You are free to choose,
free to believe
whatever you wish.
I've shown much
evidence.
The puzzle pieces
fit
and make perfect sense if you examine it all.
The model works.
It shows where we are,
what is going on.
This may be the window we need to fly free beyond this
hell realm,
sewer matrix.
To be free.
Choose wisely.
Choose wisely.
Choose freedom.
Choose wisely.
Choose freedom. Fly and be
free.
Now and for all of eternity, be free.
Choose freedom.
Choose wisely.
Choose.
You must choose.
Choose wisely.
Ravens and crows.
Ravens and crows.
I love
my ravens and crows. Ravens and crows. Ravens and crows. Ravens and crows.